Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lollipop in air fryer full guide. Begin by measuring sugar and corn syrup precisely, then heat gently until clear and syrupy, monitoring temperature closely to avoid crystallization. Pour into prepared molds placed on parchment or a silicone mat, insert sticks, and air fry briefly to set edges. Cool fully before removing, store in airtight containers, and enjoy homemade lollipops with your favorite flavors and colors. Gather sugar, light corn syrup, water, flavoring, and food coloring before you start, so everything is ready and organized. Combine sugar and corn syrup in a saucepan and heat slowly until the mixture reaches a clear syrup stage, stirring gently to prevent sticking. Remove from heat, add flavor and color, then transfer carefully to molds in the air fryer basket. Seal and let the candy set to a firm texture before unmolding and serving. If you're finding this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to support more simple kitchen hacks you can actually use. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while crafting candy, and I love the Owala water bottle for quick sips between steps. It's handy and leak resistant. Take a look at the description to find the link and other deals. It's a nice little kitchen companion. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat the air fryer to a consistent, moderate temperature to keep the sugar from browning too fast and becoming bitter. Place molds on a flat surface in the basket, watching an initial test batch to dial in time and temperature for your model. Keep cook times short, check frequently, and use a silicone liner or parchment to catch drips. Once set, allow lollipops to cool completely before removing to maintain shape and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.